Hi, this is Hannah Menard, aka You Can Make Crafts Too, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY paper water balloon. Okay, for this craft you will need a piece of paper, but you have to make sure it's square. It has to be square or it will not work. For this, you can make it any size of paper, but it has to be square. And if you use construction paper, you can actually put water in it, but it will soak through eventually, so don't leave it in too long. So first you take your paper and you fold it in half this way, and then it's like this. So it's like that. Then you take it apart and you fold it in half the other way. So it's like this. Then you take it apart and you fold it so it's like a triangle. Then you take it apart and you fold it the other way like a triangle. Then you take it apart and you fold it in half like this. And you should be able to push this in like so and crease that. And do that with the other side too. So then you will end up with two little pieces here. Take the first one and fold it up like that, so it's like on a corner. Then take this one and fold it up too. Turn over and use the other two just like that. So when you're done, it should be this little square. After you're done with that, take the corner, the little corner, and fold it into the middle. Take the other little corner and fold it into the middle also. Then you flip over and you do the same thing. When you're done, these little triangles here should have like a hole right there when you crease it open. Just that's for future reference. Then you take these little tabs here. You see that? Then you flip it up like that, just so it's not inside or anything, it's just flipped up. Then you do with all the other three of these little tabs on both sides. So there's 1, 2, but don't do it on the other side because the other side doesn't. You just have to do it on this side. Then you open that little hole like I showed you before, so you can stick your finger in there to open it. Then you fold them in like that. Then you put your finger in and you fold them in. Then you put your finger in, you fold them in, and the last you fold it in, and you're done. On the one end,